Welcome to this beginner's guide on how to delete apps on the iPad. Let's dive right in. There are basically two ways to delete apps on the iPad. The first way is to simply tap and hold somewhere in an empty area on the screen, and all your apps will then start wiggling. And as you can see, each app now has a minus symbol in the upper left corner of the screen. To delete an app now, you can simply tap on that minus symbol, and then just tap to delete app. And then you have to confirm one more time and tap on delete again. Now, if you would like to have a little bit more control over deleting apps on the iPad, you can also use the Settings app to delete apps. By using the Settings app to delete apps, we have the advantage that we have some more info about the apps. For example, we can see the size each app occupies on the iPad, which can be an important factor when thinking about which apps to delete on your iPad. So let's have a look. First of all, we're going to open up the Settings app. Then on the left side, make sure to go to General, and then tap on iPad Storage. You will then get a list of all the apps that are installed on your iPad, along with the size for each app. This is super useful because you see at a glance which are the apps that take the most space on your device. If you wish to delete an app from here, just tap on the app that you would like to delete, and then tap on Delete App, and confirm. And this is how you delete apps on the iPad. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more iPad tutorials.